A digital library is an organized collection of digital objects such as online databases, electronic journals, electronic books, and others. Each year, libraries in Malaysia and worldwide spend millions of investments to subscribe to various digital library resources. However, recent findings show that the usage of digital library resources are underutilized. Presently, libraries did not have a tool to measure the level of user engagement among libraries' users, beyond the traditional evaluation method based on usage and access. Lack of this evaluation tool, undermining the large investment on the digital library resources. Therefore, the objective of this project is to develop an assessment tool to measure digital library engagement among libraries' users, known as Digital Library Engagement Predictor. DLE Predictor offers the following features. Number 1 is User Engagement Index, a user's scale to measure engagement with digital library. FUQ, follow-up questionnaire, that enable libraries to connect with their respondents via short messaging system and email for problem verification. DL Health Check, a dashboard showing overall user engagement status based on predictors that have been tested. DL Assessment Predictor, a mathematical formula to automatically predict the level of user engagement with the digital library. In terms of commercialization, the application can be commercialized as a software product. The potential clients of the product are libraries, archives, and resource center. The product is protected by the Copyright Act 1987. A prototype of the application also has been published in Scopus journals. Now, let's look at the DLE Predictor web application. First, user needs to answer the instrument provided. This instrument was grouped into 3 determinants: technological, individual, and contextual. Then, a summary of the evaluation will be displayed. User may check the result to determine their level of engagement with the digital library. Simultaneously, these results will also be available for the participating libraries. Participating libraries may log in into the administrator panel to check the level of DL engagement. The main page shows a summary of the predictors. Libraries may check the overall frequencies level or individual frequencies level. There are different colors to indicate each level. In case there are some issues that need to be addressed, libraries may connect with the user using FUQ function. FUQ will send an SMS to the selected respondent. The respondent can respond to the follow-up question using a web-based form generator. In 2019, libraries in Malaysia spent more than 100 million on digital library resources. Our innovation helps libraries to properly manage and justify their investment on digital library resources to a saving of more than 10 million by subscribing the necessary resources. From the practical viewpoint, our innovation can be used as a diagnostic tool for continuous improvements of the digital library. From the theoretical viewpoint, the study has developed an empirical-based framework that depicts the critical factors in influencing digital library engagement. Alternatively, the framework can be further extended by integrating other variables, such as socio-economic characteristics or organizational characteristics. Thank you for watching this presentation. We hope that our innovation may help libraries and information centers to effectively manage their digital library resources and helps the organization to cut cost by subscribing relevant resources.